As you know that in AWS, we have 4 types of load balancer. Application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer, and classic load balancer. Classic load balancer is a previous generation, so no need to worry about this. We have already completed application load balancer and network load balancer. Now it's time to understand gateway load balancer. And it is really complex process to understand this. Here I have mind map. We are going to discuss about gateway load balancer using this mind map. Today we have a theoretical introduction. I want you to understand whole concept about this. Then we are going to implement this. Okay. So if we talk about introduction, it is layer 3 service. Okay. Application load balancer, layer 7, working with HTTP and HTTPS. Network load balancer, working with the transport layer and TCP UDP base. If we talk about gateway load balancer, it is a layer 3, means exactly it is performing routing. Okay, it is going to send all the packets on the specific destination. It cannot understand HTTP or HTTPS, TCP, UDP or anything. It is simply forwarding the IP traffic to that particular destination. Okay, it is kind of routing device. Gateway load balancer is a service designed to deploy, scale and manage virtual appliances such as firewall, IDS and IPS. Now here it is the main difference between other load balancer and gateway load balancer. Now here you need to understand virtual appliances first. Okay, and this is the most important part, because if you don't know about virtual appliances, you cannot understand gateway load balancer. Let me explain you virtual appliances properly. Okay, many students asking me that what is the future of cloud. I'm always telling them that if you are system administrator, or if you are network admin, or even if you are security admin, if you are software developer, if you are data scientist, anybody, okay, you must have knowledge of cloud. There are many people who is telling me that I want to go for the security of the network, and I want to learn Palo Alto firewall and Cisco firewall and all this. Now, if I'm going to learn AWS, is it good for my future? Definitely. Why? I'm giving you an example. Okay, let's say that Palo Alto is most popular firewall, right? Most of the companies, they have Palo Alto firewall on premises. Let's say that companies is using Palo Alto firewall on premises. Now they move to the AWS cloud. Okay, and they wants to deploy firewall here in the AWS cloud as well. But they have knowledge of Palo Alto, they have license of the Palo Alto, and they are considering to use Palo Alto firewall in the AWS cloud as well. Now how they can use this? Because when we are going to use Palo Alto firewall on premises, we can purchase this hardware. Yeah, there is a hardware, the firewall hardware we have, okay, that we can use. Let's say that if I'm going to Google, and if I'm going to say Palo Alto firewall, okay, and if I'm going to the images, okay, here I will get this kind of hardware. Now I want to deploy Palo Alto firewall in the AWS cloud. How I can do this? The first question is why I am going for the Palo Alto, right? Because Palo Alto is like a most specialized in the firewall development. They have a next generation firewall. I can use AWS firewall, but you know, my main power is used to, they are using Palo Alto firewall for my own premises. I have all the skills based on the Palo Alto firewall, okay, and I like all the features of Palo Alto, and I don't want to mix the things, right? For on premises, I am using another firewall of AWS, and for my on premises I am using Palo Alto. So I want same environment. I want to use Palo Alto Firewall in the AWS as well. So how I can use this? You cannot deploy physical devices over there, right? But Palo Alto virtual appliances are available. Cisco virtual appliances are available. Whatever the most popular firewall virtual appliances are available. Let's say that, suppose if I want to use Palo Alto Firewall, how I can use this, okay? So I'm going to the EC2. Okay, and going to launch the instance. Here you can create virtual Palo Alto Firewall, okay? So you can click on launch instance. Now you can go to browse AMI, and here you have AWS Marketplace AMI. So here you will get ready to use full-fledged Palo Alto or Fortinet, whatever the most popular firewall available, okay, you can use this. Let's say that if you want to use Palo Alto, okay, you just need to click select. It will create one virtual machine, and then you can access this virtual machine using the management console like HTTP and HTTPS, and you can manage whole your firewall, Palo Alto Firewall, and you can secure your AWS environment using Palo Alto Firewall. So here we have virtual appliances of Palo Alto Firewall. Okay, here in some Palo Alto Firewall you can bring your own license options as well. So look at this. Here we have all popular firewall manufacturers devices are available. Let's say that Fortinet, Palo Alto, Sophos, right? Even there is a Cisco as well. So now the matter is, I have, let's say that Palo Alto Firewall in my company, and I want to route the traffic through the Palo Alto Firewall. Whatever the traffic is coming to my VPC and going through my VPC, I want that it will pass through this popular Palo Alto Firewall, and I want to scale the whole environment with load balancer. So in this case, you can use gateway load balancer. Okay, see, it distributes the traffic, incoming traffic. It distributes the traffic across the multiple appliance instance, perform health check, and support equal cost multipathing for high availability and throughput of your virtual appliances. GLBP simplifies the deployment and management of network appliances in AWS, making it easier to enhance security and network compatibility in the cloud. Now here I have this picture. When I will open this picture, you will get the complete idea about how these things are actually working. Okay. Hi, I am Bhavesh Atara from CloudFolks HUB. To watch full video, please visit our website learn.bhaveshatara.live or CloudFolks HUB Android and iOS app. We are going to upload full video daily on our portal. You can visit our portal and you can enroll to our 100 days challenge course. Right now, for first 1000 students, for India, it is just 499 rupees fees, and for abroad, you just need to pay only 7 USD. We are going to upload daily full videos over there, and this challenge will be continued for 240 days. Thank you very much. See you inside the app. Goodbye.